So the Cruiser has had a bit of trouble starting recently. And I think it's because one of the batteries is on its way out. So today I'm going to show you a simple check you can do with just a multimeter to work out if your battery is good or if it needs to be replaced. So for this test, all you need is a multimeter. Any will do as long as it has this voltage DC symbol on it, which means it measures voltage DC, which is like batteries and stuff. And also if it has this min-max function, that helps as well. So this one got voltage DC, so this is all good to go. I've got my leads on already. The red is on the positive terminal of the battery, black is on the negative, just clamped on there with alligator clamps. And we'll turn this thing on. So to the voltage DC setting, and it should sit above 12.4 volts, which means your battery is, mostly charged. This battery is good, 12.85, it's nice and charged, so it's all good. You do need a charged battery when you do this test. So this one's good, 12.8, she's right to go. So the next step is to press this min-max button to activate that setting. And we'll just scroll through, so it just shows min-max here. And now what that'll do is it'll remember the lowest voltage it reads and the highest voltage it reads as well. And we'll be able to see that easily after we've done the test. So now what we'll do is we'll go and start the car and come back and have a look at our values, and we'll work out from them if our battery is good or if it needs replacing. So when you start a car just like that, the inrush of current getting drawn from the battery as the starter motor cranks over actually sucks the battery voltage down lower, and we want to make sure it doesn't drop below 9.6 volts. If it goes below 9.6, we know this battery can't handle that sudden inrush and needs to be replaced. If it's above 9.6, we know it's all good and there's no worries with it. So on the multimeter, we're still at the min-max setting on. If we hit this min-max button, it'll show us the maximum voltage that it recorded, which is 13.8. And that's high enough to know that the battery is charging right when the car's running, so that's all good. If we press this again, it'll show us the lowest voltage, the minimum voltage, and that's 8.89, which is lower than 9.6. So this battery is in fact on its way out, and it can't handle the sudden inrush of current when the car is getting turned over. So this battery does need replacing. I'll replace that now and we'll test this again to make sure it is all sweet. Rightio, so the new battery is in, looks nice and new. Multimeter is there ready to go. I've got the leads hooked up. The min-max setting is on. So this battery is showing 12.6 volts, which means it is charged up, ready to test. So now I'll go and start the car again and see what happens. Let's just check these settings now. So maximum voltage 14.07, which means it's charging properly, which is great. Minimum is 9.84, which is over 9.6, which means this battery can handle the sudden inrush of current as the starter motor starts. It is all good to go and working perfectly fine. So that is how you test your car's battery just using a multimeter. It's a great test to do before you head out on long trips, just to know that your car is not going to break down and your batteries won't fail. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, let me know, and I'll catch you later.